If you think saving money alone will make you rich, you've already lost. Not because saving is bad, but because saving money without understanding inflation is like running on a treadmill. You're moving, but you're not really going anywhere. Most people are told the same thing from childhood. Save your money, don't spend so much, keep something in the bank. And to be fair, that advice is not completely wrong. Saving money gives you discipline, it gives you emergency protection. It stops you from being financially reckless. But here's the part most people miss. Saving money protects you from being broke today. It doesn't automatically make you rich tomorrow. And it gets worse when you don't have a stable source of income. Because if you're barely earning consistently and all you're doing is trying to save small amounts, you're not building wealth. You're just trying to survive. That's why some people save for months. Then one emergency wipes everything out. A broken phone, a medical bill, school fees, transports, family responsibility, and suddenly the savings are all gone. But even if you manage to keep the money untouched, there's still another problem: inflation. Inflation simply means prices are going up over time. Foods become more expensive, rent becomes more expensive, transport becomes more expensive. So if your money is sitting in the bank and the price of everything around you is rising faster than your money is growing, you are losing. Not on paper, but in real life. Now, let's talk about the bank interest trap. Most people think, my bank gives me 6% APY, so my money is growing. Technically, yes. But here's the question: growing compared to what? Let's say you have $100,000. After 1 year, your bank gives you 6%. Now you have $106,000. Sounds good, right? But what if inflation that year was 15%? That means the thing you used to buy with $100,000 may now cost around $115,000. So even though your bank balance increased, your real value went down. You gained $6,000 from the bank, but lost more than that to inflation. This is how people get broke, while thinking they are being smart. This is why rich people don't just save money. They save for safety, but they invest for growth. They buy assets, they build businesses, they learn skills. They put the money into things that can grow faster than inflation. Because the goal is not just to have money sitting somewhere. The goal is to make sure your money can still buy more in the future. So no, saving money is not your enemy. Saving is the foundation. But if saving is your entire financial plan, you are not building wealth. You're only delaying poverty. The real game is simple: earn consistently, save wisely, and invest intelligently. Because money that does not grow slowly dies.